The Protos aircraft is equipped with a built-in ELRS 2.4G receiver and can be controlled using any remote controller with an ELRS 2.4 GHz receiver. First, set up the remote controller channels. This operation determines which buttons on the remote controller can implement specific functions of the aircraft. There are mainly 5 channels that need to be set up, so please do not miss any during the setup. Put the remote controller and the aircraft into binding mode. After entering the binding mode, just wait for 5 to 10 seconds until the remote controller and the aircraft complete the binding. Press the remote's binding switch to enter binding mode. Operations vary by remote controller model. For doubts about this step, consult the remote manufacturer directly. Quickly plug and unplug the battery 3 times, then reinsert it into the aircraft's head cover to power on. This activates binding mode. After the binding is completed, press the unlock button. If the aircraft's motor rotates, it means the binding is successful.